Alright. What's this? Damn get there again. What are you doing here in Saipan, bro? What are you doing here? Ayan na, Papa Jerry. Nagsimula na. Come on, mama. After almost 5 months, guys, this is my first calls. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. Kasi alam ko, I know is big size. This place. Yeah, yes, this one. The another one, guys, I already losing. But this time, this is it again. I need the fish, mama. I shout out, ma. Shout out Mr. B and Mami Linda and Anit Tomboy. Shout out sa lahat dyan. Si Ilocano Andle. Discuss ko lang. Sana naman natin, guys. May this, no fishing si Papa Jer, guys. Discuss ko lang. Guys, ito natin, guys, inside. Aspitir. Okay, guys, malakas yata to, guys. Malakas, guys. Kaya ito, guys. Malakas eh. Atras, mama. Malakas, guys. Kita nyo? Ayan, oh. Ayun, papano, guys, ang laki. Tapos naman tayo nito, guys. Wala pa naman tayo kay fish na pampano, laki, oh. Ayun, laki yun. Laki yung pampano, guys, oh. Oh! Ang cheers nito, eh. Oh. Come on. Oh, sige, pag-uwi natin ito ganyan. Uy! Yun, laki niya, guys, oh. Oh! Grabe, super siya. Oh! Come on! Kadatag niya. Oh, sige. Huwag mo. Oh! Grabe, super laki, guys, oh. Grabe.Isupi. Ito na siya, oh, pampano. Super laki, guys. Tuntis lang, guys. Grabe laban natin. Guys, mayroon. Kahit paano. Mayroon, mama. Guys, kahit paano mayroon. Mama. Laki pa rin, guys, oh. Kala ko, guys, maliit, eh. Yun, mayroon pa rin. Si Papa Jerry, guys. Yun, oh. Sila ang huli natin, guys. Ilang sila. Si big size pampano. At si one mama. Not bad na yan, guys. Kahit paano, mayroon tang kuha ngayon. Ito lang ngayon, oh.